Hey beautiful dreamers, it's Nova Rose, the beauty nerd here, and today I am doing a what's in my bag video. So this is my purse. It is a brown backpack type purse. Definitely not a full-size backpack because that would be too big, but it is by the brand M. London. I got it from my mom a long time ago, and I kind of recently, but I've been using it for a while, started using it. So yeah, we are going to just see what crap I have inside. But before we get on into that, if you're new here, hello, welcome. I am Nova Rose. I would love it if you would subscribe, help me, you know, grow my channel, because I'm a smaller content creator, so it is a little harder for me to you know, get my videos out there, get the views, all of that. But you know, without further ado, let's just, you know, get on into the video. So we are first gonna go into this small pocket right here, this front pocket, and in here we have a Anastasia Beverly Hills compact. So it's just a little mirror thing, and we have a chapstick classic cherry, and we have a chapstick mixie stick double-ended. That's what's in the small pocket. Now we will do the main pocket, which is probably full of crap. So here's what it looks like. The inside pocket is open and there's nothing in here. Right on top we have a receipt from Albertsons, a receipt from Rite Aid. Oh hey look, another receipt. We have a receipt from Fred Meyer's. I need to throw away my receipts. Next thing in here is a little travel size container of ibuprofen, just if I get like headaches or pain for on the go. Then we have a $5 Starbucks gift card, which I will use eventually, but I don't, you know, go to Starbucks a lot, so. Then we have a dinosaur comb, which looks like so. His name is Fred. I know, it's weird I named my comb, but basically you unfold them like so and you can comb your hair. We have a little planner in here, 2018 of course, and it's purple, just so I can write down important dates or appointments. Then we have some earbuds. They look like so, just in case I want to listen to music. My wallet, which is a dark color, and it's got like gray painted roses on it. It's what kind of the inside looks like. Yeah. Next we have, at the bottom we have like a little scrap piece of paper, which I should probably just throw away. Then we have a black Sharpie for work, a Jeffree Star lip ammunition lipstick in birthday suit, a Maybelline Superstay matte liquid lipstick in lover, another chapstick in classic cherry, a blue pen for work, a bobby pin, and a hair tie, which I don't know why I have it there. So that is the main pocket. We're just gonna quickly check the back pocket. I don't think there's anything in here, but we'll unzip it and look in. Nope, nothing in there. So that was what was in my bag. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. I make 2 videos a week on Tuesdays and Thursdays. Hit that little bell icon for post notifications. My social medias will be down below. Yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Stay beautiful. Bye.